Good afternoon. It is 3:34 here in Hermitage, Tennessee, Friday, February 23rd. Uh, Working on a capture method for the close comments on Zoom recordings. Zoom offers two ways. One, you can send it out to a transcription service, or they allow you to appoint someone to sit there and type it in while the meeting's going on. Hopefully, I found the third way. I'm going to record this. I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel, give it time to work through the whole process and everything. And it is my belief that YouTube will create the subtitles, the closed caption for it. Then I believe there is a way that you can actually get the transcript out as a separate text file that you could put anywhere that you want to do. You could also leave this on YouTube, but it would help those who don't want to pay a transcribing service, or those who don't have friends who are such typists to keep up with them while they're in the Zoom meeting. In any case, we're going to stop this recording, upload it to YouTube, and see what happens. Thanks for watching.